In this video, I'm going to show you how to get bulletproof fiber fabric in Once Human. So bulletproof fiber fabric is this thing over here. If I hop onto this assembly bench, as you can see, is this thing over here. It looks like fabric basically. So the way you can get this is actually, of course, by disassembling items on the disassembly bench, but what's the most important is where to loot to get the items you can disassemble. And if we open up our map, the best location I found to farm this is actually up here in the red sands area, and it's called Blackfell, okay? And this is particularly this town just around this safe zone over here. As you can see, I was farming so much, I even died over here for a bit. And yeah, so this town is called the Blackfell Fallen Zone, and around here you can farm for or loot different items, kill mobs, and get stuff from around the town that will give you the bulletproof fiber fabric. Now, you can also find it in these towns over here, such as Blackfell Oilfields, and then we have the Evergreen down here, as well as over here the 73 source extraction point, and all the other kind of towns around Red Sands. However, I found these the easiest to clear, and you can dodge mobs pretty easily because they're zombies and not those annoying soldiers who shoot you endlessly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've grabbed all your things around here, you can come back to your territory, go to your disassembly bench, press select all, and you'll see that you'll be able to get some bulletproof fiber fabric. Then simply press disassemble, hold down the F key, and you have successfully obtained fiber fabric that is bulletproof. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.